To Tampa Bay Jams. Give it up. Over here, give it up, everybody. I tell you what, I'm here with some crazy people in Spring Hill. It's the Suncoast Skate and Entertainment Center. But it's time to take care of business. We're ready to get down to business. What do you want to do?
I want to dance.
Well, let's dance. Let's dance. This is Kid and Play. Ain't gonna hurt nobody on Tampa Bay Jams.
Oh, yeah. It feels good, feels good. The time has come to enjoy myself. I've left my problems up on the shelf. The workday's over and I got it made. Like Johnny Kemp said, I just got paid and I'm ready to mingle. Young man, single and free, ready to get busy. Down to party, hardy and have a good time. All I need is a partner in crime. Call up the homies and hope they might say they're down to paint the town red tonight. Look in the closet and pull out the hype gear. Hook up the high top fade and I'm out of here. To a disco or a party of some kind. Hope that I would find myself a good time. Before I'm through and the night is done, man, I'm gonna have fun. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, y'all. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Out there on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, baby. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gonna give you the floor. Oh, yeah, yeah.
If you're looking for more, step on the dance floor. Check your coat and your troubles at the door. Cause for sure you're gonna see a smile today. The problems of the world seem miles away. The only thing that matters is a good time that can be had with the help of a good rhyme. The DJ's hype more than up to par. Uh-oh, there goes a cutie at the bar. So I stroll on over and say hi. And tell her I'm the PLAY. And would she like to dance a while? I'll do anything to see you smile. You see, my job is to take you higher. After a couple of songs, I'll inquire. Having fun? Well, I ain't done. The best is yet to come. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, y'all. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Out there on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, baby. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gonna give you the floor. Oh, yeah, yeah.
The music's hype, and if it's alright with you, I wouldn't mind spending the rest of the night with you.
No kidding, babe, we can make some noise. You and your girls, and me and my boys.
Just chillin' right, a night filled with pleasure.
We can take it slow with no pressure.
Enough respect,
You won't regret.
this'll be a night you won't soon forget. And that's a promise from me to you. Take my hand, girl, I'ma see you through.
You don't strike me as a woman that fronts. Here's your chance.
You only live once, I wanna hear you say, oh, what a blast, kid. We sure had good fun while it lasted. Hung out with
and
friends.
hit the skin.
Next week we're gonna do it again. Yeah.
Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. Ain't nobody. We're just
Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Just dancing, y'all. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Out there on the floor. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, baby. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Gonna give you. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. We're just dancing, y'all. Ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Tampa Bay Jams.